Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 12, How to Use Your Subconscious Mind for Success. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy teaches us how to tap into the subconscious mind to achieve success in all areas of our lives. Dr. Murphy emphasizes that your subconscious mind is like a servant that works for you, but it only works based on what you feed it. When you focus on success, the subconscious takes that idea and makes it a reality. But if you focus on fear or failure, it'll bring those results as well. It's all about directing your mind to what you want. A powerful technique Dr. Murphy suggests is to create a mental image of your goal. Imagine yourself achieving what you desire and feel the joy of success. As you do this, repeat a positive affirmation like, "Success is mine. I am capable of achieving my dreams." This process helps align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals, leading to greater success and fulfillment. The key takeaway: success starts in the mind. By programming your subconscious with positive beliefs, you open the doors to achievement and growth. That's the end of Chapter 12. In Chapter 13, we'll explore how to use your subconscious to heal your body and mind. Like, comment, and subscribe, and get ready for the next powerful chapter.